see what you see. A star shining in the light that'll bring us stars and light. That will bring us goodness and light. Tonight the Koreans, they brought us to Kamchatan. We have pork bone soup. Yummy.
And rice cakes. And
So
what else?
good.
Tofu and soju.
Yeah. No, we didn't have the soju. Stop lying. She really wants some. Jennifer might have herpes.
Don't say that, because one of the girls in our class, she has herpes, and I was sharing. I know I'm a germ freak, but I shared from the same plate. Yeah.
She didn't share the same
Please
plate.
pray that I don't get herpes. Please.
Okay. Maybe we should run home now?
No.
I want to go to Manal. Okay, let's run there. Okay. Is it still raining hard? I can't tell. Okay. No, I think my lens is wet.
Is it pleur?
Oui,
Oui.
Je n'ai pas un parapluie. The carols for Christmas that we'll be singing on the streets and doing dako. That's not a Christmas carol. Like this. Do 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 do. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. Now we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland.
We'll see how you man. It's snowman.
Do you like the rain now?
I do.
Ew! Like Paco yan her lao
Oh.
We're so random. I think it's good to walk. Yeah, run to Manapri. We, let's go. Oh gosh, this is not light at all. We need to bring umbrellas. I know, Mel. When we walked out the door, I'm like, should we go back and get an umbrella?
You love rain.
Grocery. Puddles. Oh my gosh, my boots are soaked.
Me too. I have water.
Okay, time to